Alright, let's mix up some clear coat. And the clear coat mixing ratios are 5 parts clear, 1 part activator, and 1 part reducer. So in general, for a bumper corner, you're going to want 3 ounces of clear approximately. So we'll put in 2 ounces of clear. Excuse me, we'll put in 2.5 ounces of clear. And 0.5 ounces of reducer. And 0.5 ounces of activator. Looks like that brings us up to about 3.5 sprayable ounces. All right, masking paper is off the car. The clear's all dried up. And the repair turned out pretty good, but there's definitely a big flaw, and you can see it right there. I just did not lay down enough base coat right on that primer line. So typically I'd just wait about 20 minutes for the clear coat to cure up and scuff it up and apply some base coat. But I am done for the evening, so we'll continue this on another day. We'll get this transition correct, and we'll be all done with this bumper corner. Yeah, it's never a bad idea. Just give it one wipe down with some wax and grease remover. Got a brand new Finex FX100 out of the box, and when you first take them out of the box, you gotta make sure that your cheater valve is open. Set it to about 28 pounds. Your fluid valve is probably all the way shut. I'd give it about 3.5 turns. And your fan adjustment is probably all the way shut, which means you have the narrowest possible fan. So it's not a bad idea to spray some paint thinner through here and just check what sort of fan it's going to put out. That's just too narrow. We'll open it up a bit. And I'm pretty confident in the way that the gun is set up at the moment. Alright, I've mixed up probably less than an ounce of paint here, and I'm just going to put the very slightest dusting of paint just on this heavy brake line here. And here's our finished result after clear coat. It looks excellent.